Poor pig farming methods starts from feeding. These pigs are fed with greens. That means they are not provided with proteins. Proteins ensure pigs grow faster and they mature faster. These ones are being tethered around, and pigs which are tethered around, they can break limbs and that affect their maturity. These ones are served, they are expecting, and the farmer doesn't know when they are going to deliver because of poor record keeping. A farmer should keep records so that he understands when. Look at these ones, they are very macheted because they are not provided with proper feeding. They are not provided with proper food, that is carbohydrates and proteins. They cannot grow. These ones, like this one, it broke its limbs because of being tethered around. So it doesn't have a proper body structure, so it won't grow very well. But its breed is a good breed. It's a good breed. If it finds a good management, it can grow to a very big pig. This one too is tethered around. Then this one is older than 1 year. 1 year. 1 year is you should have raised your pigs in 2 cycles. That is, you have harvested for 2 times. But these ones still in the farm. That means that is a loss to a farmer. A farmer should not raise a pig for more than 6 months. 6 months and it should be ready for the market. It also has a big stomach. This indicates that it is infested with worms.